everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Philine and today we're going to do unboxing. Yes, unboxing. And it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop because shopping is an art. Yes, it is an art. And by the way, I am an online seller. I sell a lot of stuff, mostly my unboxing here. You can see it in my Mercari down below. And I give you pretty good price, and don't be shy to give me an offer or make an offer to the product that I'm selling. Yes, because I always find good deals. I also want to share it to you, and without further ado, let's do. Oops. Okay, this is receipt and some stuff, and look at that. Voila, you cannot even see it. Oh my god, I'm so crazy. Okay, so I bought this from Macy's, and okay, so this is the first time that I bought this kind of color. Yes, and this is very popular. Hold on. Wow. Okay. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Just hang on. This is, we have to really remove everything so we can see it closely. A small tote from a Coach. This is the really famous rainbow, and let me see what it calls. Okay, this is signature. This is their signature tote, and a size small, size 22 rainbow. Oh my god, it is pretty. It's a little bit smush. Oh my god. So this comes with this. The thing about this bag is this comes with this hang on, let me cut it. Just hang on. Cut it so you can see it. You know, I'm going to show you really nicely. We have to remove this. Look at that. Isn't it really nice? I love bags with the big strap, and this comes with a big strap of look. So it's super pretty. It's like a burgundy, reddish burgundy mixture with red, and then oh my goodness, this is super cute. I never expected that this one is really cute in person. Oh my god, look. And a good thing is this one have a feet, which is really beautiful. My first time to buy a tote in a rainbow color. This is their signature, dedicated for LGBTQ plus, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is super pretty, and of course it comes with a dust bag and a very spacious inside. And oh my god, look at that. Look at the inside. It's like a purplish, almost purple burgundy kind of color. And in this one is the Coach it looks like this. So I am just amazed. And this one is originally $350, of course. And this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my goodness, isn't it amazing? Oh my god, I don't like to sell it, but yeah. What am I thinking? Oh my god, this is so pretty. And then you can just attach this. We will attach this one, and then we will see. So if you're one of my buyer, you already see what you will get. And let's do this. There. So you can wear it with shoulder bag, and then you can wear it as a crossbody bag, just like that. We need to loosen up more, but yeah, yay, this is so beautiful and I love it. I mean, I love the color. You want to be unique, you buy this, and if you want to be different, you buy this. Yes. And I'm gonna put the one there, and how beautiful is that? Yay! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe in my channel or buy in my Mercari. That's linked down below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.